What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to install WordPress into a local host using WampServer. In the latest videos we did learn how to install WampServer and how to fix WampServer installation into Windows computer, and now we're gonna keep it going by installing the WordPress into this local host so we can make our experiences. First of all, go to your Wamp and launch it. So click on it to start. You should see a green icon next to your watch into the corner, the bottom corner right. Click on localhost and here we have our WampServer. Click here into the phpMyAdmin and now we're gonna create our base data. First of all, we need to log in. The username by default is root, R-O-O-T, no password, and go. We're gonna need to create a new database so we can store the data of our local host experience and of our WordPress. How to do that? Let me lead you to back to the phpMyAdmin. If you have a look right here into the top next to the server version, you can see base data. Click on it and now create database. We're gonna give to this database a name. You need to remember this name, so it's a quite important part of the video. So I do recommend that you use some simple thing like here, data, underline, base. And now, this is what we have. No need to create tables, WordPress is gonna do this automatically. So, we can go for now. Let me show you a written guide on visualmodo.com blog where I do explain the steps to install WordPress into a local host using Wamp. So the first step is install WampServer, set it up, and download WordPress. Go to the wordpress.org website, get WordPress, click on download and install. Download WordPress. Actually, we are in the version 5.7.2 and we are downloading the .zip version, the file. We're gonna grab this file from our downloads folder, copy this and post into the Wamp folder. So click on it, copy, now go to your computer, the C, and here the Wamp into the file www. We're gonna post the WordPress zip. Now we're gonna extract the file here. Extract here. And here we have the WordPress file already present on our WampServer. I will be deleting this zip file and close this. Now, if you go to the localhost once again by clicking into the WampServer green icon, you can see that on your projects, there's one project called WordPress. So, what you do now, go to localhost, localhost WordPress, and here we have the WordPress setup panel. We're gonna need to install WordPress and do the setup. Select your language. Now the information that WordPress will need go, first of all, the database name, the base data. So, as far as I can remember, the name we did give was data_base. Username, root, there's no password. So select this, delete. The database host, it's localhost, it's alright. And the table prefix, it's WP. Nothing to change, run the installation. Now we need to give this website a subtitle, the username and the password. Install WordPress. Google does not like my password, not a problem. It's a local host. And here we have my WordPress installed locally into my Windows computer. Localhost, WordPress, phpMyAdmin. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you later. All the best!